Alright, we are running the Raz for Mr. Gurley. This is for the autographed jersey. We got 10 spots here. We got Thomas and William all the way through. Time currently is 2:25, which does match the computer. And we'll come over here to Facebook and we'll type in live. There you go. So everybody can see. And then we come over here to the randomizer. And once again, time 2:25, 2:25, 1 through 10 over here, Gurley. Going forward, Sean wants me to go higher than 5. For this one, I put higher than 6, so we have to go with that. So, once again, 2 die 6. Anything higher than 6, we got a 10. So we're good to go. 2:25, 2:25. 10 rounds, Gurley, 1 through 10. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 9. So we're looking for 10, and we're going 2:26, 2:26. And the winner is the next one on top, spot number 1. And congratulations, William, with spot number 2. You have won. Congratulations. Once again, time is 2:26, 2:26. 10 rounds, 10 rounds. Come back over here, type in done. There we go. I will not post the verification until after the video has been posted. So bear with me while it uploads. Congratulations once again, William, on your Gurley jersey. That will be shipped on Monday. Please send me your address as soon as you get a second. Have a great day.